welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, we are going to be taming this mess. It was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I am not gonna lie. The fact that I'm doing this video is very out of my comfort zone. Very much out of my comfort zone. But it was fun and I want to put out my best content for you guys and just open up and let you guys see who I am a little bit, because I don't really do that much in my opinion on my channel. But make sure you thumbs up and subscribe, and I understand you want to wait till the end of the video. Make sure you like my content. I get it. I do. But if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, which I think is down here. I think. I might be wrong, but it's a bell. It's a bell. We know what a bell is. Make sure you hit that bell because I do plan on posting regularly. I'm not going to say twice a week because that's my plan, but y'all know plans don't always come through. So I would appreciate it so much and love you guys forever. And I'm just going to shut up now and get into the video.